are some key questions that patients should ask their healthcare team before even participating in a clinical trial?
I think number one is, what are the alternatives that I would have if I did not participate in the clinical trial? What are the standard of care therapies? And prostate cancer now has a vast menu. There's 2 different types of chemotherapy. There's 2 different types of targeted radiotherapy, this Pluvicto and radium. There's immunotherapy with Sipuleucel-T and other immune therapies. There's multiple hormonal drugs. There's precision medicines, like I mentioned, for men with certain hereditary types of prostate cancer. So it's important to hear what the standard of care is. And many patients don't necessarily even hear that. And then based on what patients have already seen and what's the expectation, risks and benefits around those. And then on top of that, research can complement that or either replace or come after those standard of care approaches. Certainly, if a patient has exhausted the standard of care approaches, a trial can offer real benefits. It's important to ask about risks. What have other patients experienced going into that study? What kind of toxicities, good or bad? What's the evidence that it has helped people before? If it's never been studied in people, the evidence might just come from the laboratory. But hearing about, why is this so promising? Why have you chosen to invest so much time and energy in this trial is a good question. And then, if you're hearing about a trial and you're making a decision to travel, sometimes asking questions about whether the trial will cover your lodging or transportation, gas money, airport travel. Some trials do that. You can also look on clinicaltrials.gov for sites that are near you. So many centers open the same trial in a different state. So you can look on that website to see if there's a trial near you for what you're looking for.